My belly saying free. my belly saying take a break, brother. Brother, my belly saying yo, poopa, no more poopa. Wagwan Subbies! Back with a new video for you guys today. As you can see, we have some patties in front of us right now.
Hey, we're gonna do the 15 patty challenge.
Yeah, so we are going to consume 15 patties and see if we can
We're gonna try and consume them.
And yeah, hashtag if we fail at this challenge, we have a vacuum that will clean up. Hashtag.
I don't think he can clean up all of this.
If you guys don't know, I'm calling vacuum is Andrew because he can eat patties all day. And this is a prime example. We will see how far we can go.
Chase keeps eyeing the patties, so I think he might want some too.
And he's gonna get some breadcrumbs. He's right next to us, guys, but you can't see him right now because we have the camera set up and stuff like that. Make sure you guys smash the like button before we get started in this video. Go ahead, and if you're from Jamaica and you love patties, go ahead and smash the like button.
And if you're not from Jamaica and you love patties,
go ahead and smash the like button.
And if you're from the Caribbean, comment down below, where do you get the best patties from?
Yes, go ahead and comment down below right now, guys. If you're from the Florida area, go ahead and comment down below the best patties from Florida. Go ahead and comment down. I'm gonna say taste right. Yes. Subscribe to be a part of the family. Can't say this enough, and really appreciate all the love and support on these videos. And yeah, we're gonna get started and see how much we can consume. Comment down below how much you think we can consume.
I'm a lightweight.
My thing is, you know, like when eating patties, I think 1, 2, 3 is my max. 3 is my max.
2 is mine.
3 is my max.
And if it's cocoa bread involved, 1.5.
Yeah, we are going to see how it happens, okay? Go ahead and hashtag who is going to win this challenge. We're going to see a challenge here right now, guys, and see who can eat the most patties right now.
I know, because I've been
Chad, where you at?
I've been outdoing you in the eating department.
Since I don't want to mess up the whole of my shirt, I'm going to put in a shirt right here. So you guys can see I'm at the dining table right now and I'm about to consume.
So we have 3 chicken.
3 chicken are in here.
And 12 beef.
And 12 beef. As you can see, this by the red mark, you don't know this is a chicken.
Yeah.
If you guys are from Jamaica, you know that already, you know?
Yeah. I couldn't bother ask for more chicken, so I just asked for a dozen beef.
By the way, guys, we had to stand outside to get the patty, guys, because the line was so long because the patties are so good.
Saturday is patty day for a lot of Jamaicans.
Oh my god, the texture.
Chicken?
This is so good, babe. You need to try this. You burn up your mouth. The patty is so hot that you have to blow up on it. It's really hot, guys. I'm not gonna lie.
I think I'm gonna give JC a little taste.
I know you can't see him right now because the camera's not on him.
Right here in his chair.
Right next to us in his chair, eating chicken and soup. Feel like I'm failing already.
Am I cheating because I gave Chase a little piece?
Guys, what do you guys drink when eating patty? My favorite thing go-to is right here. Cola champagne.
Or true juice.
Huh?
True juice.
True juice. I don't really drink true juice.
Actually, if you're in Jamaica, you drink a fresh orange juice. The box orange juice.
This is so good. This is gonna be so hard too.
Andrew's
Andrew's in the background, guys, and he's just watching us. He's saying,
you want a patty.
You want a patty now. Not gonna lie to you guys. I enjoy patty so much that I can eat it almost every day. And although it gives me a heartburn in the later night. Yeah. The older I get, you know, the more it gives you a heartburn, you know. You know, like on Saturdays, Jamaicans love to eat patty.
And soup.
And soup. I love soup on Saturday, right? Yeah.
And Chase eats both. Andrew's asking for a patty, so we're gonna go ahead and give Andrew 1, so we're down to 14 patties.
Yeah, let's go over a little bit and he can come in the picture. Come Andrew, you can come. If you guys don't know, he cut his hair, guys. Hashtag, you're about to see a change in life. Look here. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this guy.
Hey guys, what's up? No.
Who is he?
Which patty is this?
That chicken.
Chicken.
Oh my god.
We couldn't that eating challenge without Andrew.
Yeah, Andrew is like a vacuum when it comes to food, guys. No disrespect or not like that. Drew knows this. Drew will finish anything on the table. I'm telling you, right? And this we're gonna finish this, right?
Maybe.
And he always eats patty on a Saturday. He always brings patty.
On a Friday too.
On Friday. Do you see like the crumbs dropping from the patty?
Guys, we're making a lot of mess right now, and the dogs are cleaning up on the ground right now. They're literally underneath our legs and cleaning up.
But crumbs indicate a good patty.
Yeah. Like, guys, I took me to eat the patty in front of you guys, and the way how me really eat patty, guys, me eat out the whole I meat and leave the crust last.
Yep.
Actually, the strategy should have been to take out most of the meat so you can eat more. This is our first one. It's still going.
Look at mine. Mine's almost done.
Oh, hot. Look.
Burn up.
She asked if we needed the bags, but I'm like,
No, we're good. We should have brought the bags because we're making a lot of mess right now. It's really hot. If I could tell you how hot it is right now, if you put your finger right here, it burn off.
Look guys, look at all that meat. And the steam coming off of it.
Remember we did that video, we did American patty versus Jamaican patty, guys. If you guys haven't go check it out over here right now.
This patty is actually better than the one we had.
Yeah, it was better than last time we tried it because I think we got the patties late. So the quality of the patty kind of sit there for a couple of whiles. So you know, when you don't get a hot patty, you're not getting a patty, you know? Andrew already finished the patty in front of us, guys. Dennis was playing with the patty, you know? That's all.
It's like broken because all the meat came up.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
What's the worst thing when eating patty? When you burn your tongue.
Guys, you know let me tell you the funny story of what we were doing when we were getting the patties, right? We pulled up, right? And we saw the long line. And we said, alright, we're going to wait a little bit till the line and go down. So this lady came out of the car, right? I mean, came out of the store, right? She had her patty in her hand. She couldn't wait to go to her car. So she started yam the patty, guys. And she's driving a nice car, you know. So when me tell her she's driving a nice brand new car, you know, she said, you know what? Me nah put no crumbs in my car. So she stand outside in the blazing sun and I eat the patty, guys. And I was like dying with laughter.
She's team no cold patty.
And no crumbs in the car, patty. She don't want no crumbs in her car, so she stand outside and I eat the patty. And that was it's so funny because
you were just watching her.
Guys, I'm out here on my second patty. I'm trying to look for a smaller patty, but they're all big.
That's cheating.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is true. Cheating.
Guys, comment down below, chicken patty or beef patty?
Comment down below which is your favorite patty.
I'm definitely a beef patty in Florida, but chicken patty in Jamaica.
Me put up my mouth.
Daniel, you need help.
I'm switching, guys. I'm going to a beef patty.
Oh my god, this is really bad.
Help me. Help me.
It's hot.
Guys, let me tell you, say hot it hot.
Jesus.
Now let's get to business. I think we should have waited till it's cool down a little bit because it's too hot.
I know. People are listening about cold patty. Cold patty mustn't yam.
Has to be hot patty.
When you don't get the boxes of patty from Jamaica, the best way, reheat them in the oven, in the microwave.
For 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Guys, right now my lips are moist. My lips are moisty. Yo, put on my drink.
My patty falling apart, as usual.
The thing about these patties over here, they don't hold up like compared to Jamaican patty. Yeah, Jamaican patty hold up like strong, you know, and the crust is stronger. Guys, Chase was complaining a while ago, and he wants some of the patty. He's upset that we did not offer him any patty. He tried it and he's like, yeah, I want more. Mommy didn't give him any more.
Chase is a patty, baby.
Come on, put me patty. I just ate 2, guys, and he says he's gonna eat one more. He says he's gonna eat one more.
I can't eat no more.
He says he's gonna eat.
I can't eat anymore.
Okay, I'm taking a drink break.
It's just too hot. Like the way it look like, guys, you can see the moistness on my face right now.
The moistness?
Yes, the moistness of the water. Water dripping from my face.
Guys, comment down below. Cherry true juice is the best.
Pineapple.
No.
And orange true juice are the best.
No, that's second best. My belly is saying no.
My belly saying free. my belly saying take a break, brother. Brother, my belly saying yo, poopa, no more poopa. Stop, brother.
I don't know how I'm going to survive. After you eat this patty, straight itis.
I will not be eating anything else, guys. No consuming of no food right now. Why you look at me when you're drinking that, dog? Why are you doing that?
Move, man. You look like look at the piece of patty you left right there. You look homeless.
Yeah, finish it. Finish it.
You look like you're homeless.
Yeah, guys, I told you Drew is a vacuum. You know, look here, look here, look here. Yo.
This is the order: lightweight, medium weight, vacuum.
Vacuum, yes.
Alright, so
Yo, you got breadcrumbs all over your mouth, bro.
Alright,
bird or bread?
Bread.
How much at?
This is, well, 1.5. He's
Oh my
finishing
god!
I'm finishing this. I'm 2.5.
I'm almost 2.
You can eat one more packet.
This is one of the most hardest challenges in life, okay, guys?
That is very filling.
Even when you have 3 people. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
My patty just breaking up.
So we're going 7 patties right now, guys. Well, 7.5. Because Daniel's just making a mess with all this meat all over the. What the hell is this? Babe, what are you doing?
It's called strategy.
That's not strategy.
That's not stretching. What the? What are you doing like that? Who eats patty like that?
Not me.
What the patty
What,
do you
babe?
No, the patty vibrator.
It doesn't matter how you eat it, it's how much you eat.
Guys, let me tell you my favorite patty. My favorite patty is cocoa bread.
That's not a patty. Oh my god. Oh,
I know it's not a real patty. I know it's not a patty. Okay?
My favorite patty.
I could eat cocoa bread every day of the week just by itself, plain. Just put little butter in
Because
it.
it's like hard-dough bread.
Guys, that thing costs like 70 cents, guys. You just put some butter in it and put it in the oven real quick. Oh god.
No, the best patty is a lobster patty.
A lobster patty is good.
We're gonna buy these patties again.
Tastes right.
So what the plantain out them there?
How you must eat 15 patties and a plantain tart?
Yo, what did you sweet dessert then? Not the sweetie sweet, you know what I'm saying?
No.
Not like when you're eating 5 patties. You know?
Oh my god.
I won't be consuming any food later.
Time out. What food is wet? What food I go? No.
And guys, we're not gonna waste these patties. We're gonna keep it during the week, and we're gonna be eating it.
During the week?
Yeah.
It's not gonna last past tomorrow.
Yeah, you're right. Guys, look at this one lovely cake flour one.
Can I have a bite?
No, you can't.
Can you give me a bite?
No.
Give me a bite.
God nyam.
Everybody want
You
that.
wanna try to violate my patty, dog? I am going to attempt the 3rd patty here, guys. I apologize if I don't make it out alive.
I'm gonna eat half.
Guys, I feel like I'm getting bloated. I feel like my belly is expanding at the seconds that I'm talking right now. Like if I really try to do this right now, I feel like
Vomit.
I'm going to reach in the toilet and be vomiting all my guts out.
Ew!
Like, do you want me to do that?
Please.
Hashtag please do it, Chad. I will, okay?
No, don't do it. Because I have to clean it up.
Oh. This one's actually really good. You can try it.
Daniel, you're special.
No, you think I was gonna feed you? Chase is loving the crumbs from the patty, guys.
Patty,
He
patty,
loves it.
yes.
Oh,
He doesn't
God.
want the meat, he just wants the flaky
The
crust.
flaky crumbs. Look at this. This one has a bunch of flaky nights, you know?
Your own taste.
Nice crust. The crust in there nice and the meat
But
very
I don't
People, have you guys been paying attention to how Daniel is doing this patty? He's violating a patty.
Guys, I'm just taking the crust. I'm just taking the crust. I'm
Yeah, I
sorry.
don't want the meaty parts.
I'm sorry, I can't do anymore. I'm boss.
I feel like I'm gonna vomit. How much left?
We didn't even consume anything before we had
1,
this.
2, 3, 4,
And we're
5,
full.
6, 7.
I just woke up and I smelled food, so I came downstairs.
Technically, we have about 8 patties left.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Yeah, he's gonna finish.
See? Alright, now we have what? 7.
And down with food, the food. Where am I coming from?
Oh my
So
god.
we have 7.5.
Yeah, 7.5.
We finished 7.5, guys. You should be very proud of us. And hashtag we made it. Not really, but we made it.
We made it halfway.
We tried. Unfortunately, due to certain circumstances and the events that transpired, and of the crust and the meat, too much meat in it, so it kind of expand your belly and your wagon of your gut. Could not go any further.
Danny, Chaddy, and Drew, 0.
0.
Patties, 1.
1. Hashtag we lost. Hashtag we try again, okay?
No.
With 5 people this time.
No,
Yeah, 5.
definitely need 5 people next time.
I mean, I'm the perfect person to call.
Or 6.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't been a part of the family. Make sure you subscribe. Drew is telling you to do it now. Tell him to do it now.
Oh no, do it now. Something about my haircut. It look good?
Yeah. Oh, talk about the haircut.
Yeah, I want to hear it.
Comment down below.
Drew's haircut.
Comment down below. I love it. It's a new look. So big up your damn self, Drew.
The man slapped me on my back of me.
No time for that. Alright guys, love you guys. I want to say thank you guys for your love and support. We can't say this enough. We are going to do notification shout out time. First notification shout out goes to me.
Bailey.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. The second notification shout out goes to
Antoinette Matheson Hall.
Big up your damn self. You're gonna go right here. And the third and final notification shout out goes to
Trisha Harnarine.
Big up your damn self. We're gonna go right here. If you want to be a part of the notification gang, notification squad, notification boom bang bang, notification notification bang, notification Tracy, notification, comment down below this right now, notification Patty. Comment down below right now and subscribe and hit the bell. And you will get a shout out in the next video. I love you guys.
We love you.
We love you. And we will see you guys another time. The
Patty squad. Patty squad.
Alright, we see you guys. Love you guys. Patty squad out.